Hey, so today I'm going to give you guys a quick rundown of EarnSentry. It's the newest survey site, one of the newest, created probably about a month ago by myself. One of the first things you see when you come here is you have your ticker at the top, which shows everybody who's earning coins. And this will be one of the landing pages that you hit. If you haven't created your account, you do that here, and it should proceed you to the dashboard, in which that has kind of all the information that most of the get paid to sites would have. You have your new offers available with the earn now, your balance down here at the bottom. It also translates coins. It's 1,000 coins equals $1, which ties to the withdrawal progress. And after $1, you can request withdrawal, and it will get paid out via PayPal at the moment. You have your referrals and how long you've been a member. Scrolling down a little bit, we have our daily bonus, which it streaks by every day up to 5 days. And then over here you have your quick actions, which earn coins or withdraw, and the promotion code, which is in the Discord if you have not seen that. Scrolling down a little bit, we have our recent activity, which shows kind of all your approved action items or anything that may have to come out. And then down here is your referrals and 2 sponsored ads. I had those at the bottom so it doesn't affect the user base. Then up here, if we have any issues, you will have your system online. It should show offline if something was to happen, and then both of these links will take you to the Discord or Reddit. Clicking earn will take you to obviously the earning page with the message that I post in there. CPX is back for people who do these surveys. CPX is one of the big ones. They offer a lot of surveys and variety. Start scrolling down. I have you choose your path. You have your VPN rules, standard to the business, but they are non-negotiable. We have Gemini ads, CPX surveys, and SpawnTap are the top 3 that I have published. I have about 9 others that I will be slowly integrating in over time. And then down here I have 2, which is Rapido Research and Clink Labs. So let's go ahead and click into Jimmy ads real quick and just kind of show you what will happen. So Jimmy ad will take you to the next wall, which kind of shows out the payout, and kind of also gives you a, hey, this is what you need to do. Clicking that will take you into a new link, if it'll load. By doing that, takes you here. They have various apps that are installed, games, very similar. All of these have their own point values. You can see them here. Really good ways to earn. It's best that I use these to avoid reversals in surveys, but they also do have web-based survey and then click as well. And these are a couple of the good, one of my main featured ones that I have for now. So bringing it back here, we have Jimmy ads, CPX, and SpawnTap. SpawnTap's a newer one. They're based on how much time you play the game, not by certain tasks in the game, whereas Jimmy ad is reach level 1, reach level 3, install the game, certain ways to earn. And then you have your daily and weekly quest right here, which are 100 coins, 150 coins, and 500 coins. And as you can see, there is a little disclaimer. They reset at night or reset through the weekends. And then again, I'll show you down here my 2 more ways to earn. The reason I put them down there is seems like Rapido seems to be struggling to pass through, and Clink Labs has a bit of a higher threshold for me at the moment. Once you get through that, you're going to hit your withdrawal site, assuming you guys earn the $1 sooner or later, or however much you want to do that. 1,000 coins equals $1. Offers rewards 70% of their value, which is standard for the business. Actually might be a little more lenient than some, as I know most of your bigger sites are probably 50 to 60%. So just kind of what they're showing you on the back end, I'm showing you on the front end. I'm showing you the exact threshold that I'm going to be coming back to EarnSentry versus what they're not going to show you. And then you got your minimum withdrawal, your available rewards, which is PayPal, Cash App, gift apps coming, Processing time 24 to 72, as I am doing this by myself, but I'm focused on trying to get that to you guys as soon as possible. We did have our first withdrawal today in payment. And as you know, important rules, same things always apply: VPN, multiple accounts, and then how to withdraw is pretty simple. Reach a minimum withdrawal amount, fill out the requested form, wait for approval, receive your reward. Get your balance down here. You can only submit one within 24 hours. Just a few little oversight here and there, and over here I have a little bit of help, contact, log out if you have any questions or support. Alright, that's a short video showing you guys how to kind of work your way around EarnSentry. Thank you. Have a good day.